Hi there, Tad Hargrave from Marketing for Hippies, and I'm in my living room in Edmonton, but I won't be tomorrow night because I'll be on a plane going to the United Kingdom. There's a friend's wedding, there's some storytelling events I'm going to be going to. Anyways, it's going to be a wonderful time. I'll tell you more about it later. But it occurred to me as I'm about to hit the road for travel that some of you like to travel, and you might be traveling for work. And if you're doing so, well, there's a lot of things, I've traveled around Canada doing workshops for years now, almost 15 years, and I've learned a lot about touring. And in fact, one of the things I just released was a package called How to Tour, and it's got a lot of my thoughts on how to tour workshops specifically. There are a number of things put together for that. So I just thought while I was on the road, maybe I'd be making some videos, and it'd be good to answer any questions that you have. I'd really love to hear what you have to say. What do you want to know about touring? Probably a lot of it is in that package, but there may be some things that aren't covered, and I'd be happy to make a video about it. So, let it rip. What are your questions about touring? If you've thought about hitting the road, taking your workshops to other cities where, it's often true you're never a prophet in your own country. Sometimes you're taken more seriously outside of the place that you live. There's a real truth to that. But if you wanted to do it, you don't know how, let me know what your questions are. Put them in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer as many of the questions as I can. And even if they're in the book, I'll do at least a short rendition to give you some guidance on that. Okay, let's hear what you got to say.